Hey you guys, so y'all saw me wake up, do my morning routine, and then when I head out to the gym. I had a good workout. I'm back home, I showered, I got myself together. Even though the lashes is hella annoying though, I'm pretty sure it's gonna come up by the end of the night or tomorrow. I just wanted to vlog with y'all, me being productive. It's afternoon right now. I'm about to go make something to eat, and then we're gonna head to the grocery store, get some stuff, because I'm working for 12 hours back to back, so we got a meal prep for that. And then we're about to head to their car wash. My car hasn't been washed in so long, like months, and yesterday I saw it and I'm like, oh my gosh, yeah, we need to wash you. But why I wake up this morning and the bird shit on my car? Like, were you listening to me yesterday? Like, I said I'm gonna wash it today. I will wash it today. Okay y'all, so we just entering the grocery store. I'm gonna put y'all down. Hi.
Are you feeding or something? Are you making a film?
Yeah.
Cool.
I am. Thank you.
Yeah. It's interesting to see young people doing stuff.
Oh
like
yeah. I use the romaine lettuce. And that's it. So we're gonna check this off. We need some cucumbers also. Bro, I hate them cucumbers. I look so crazy. I hate the type of cucumbers they be selling here. You want a picture? Because what is that? Like this shit sucks so bad. I don't want that. That's the only hard one. That's the thing I miss being in the islands, because our cucumber could never, like, what is this, bro? That's not cucumber. So I've never eaten sweet potatoes before, so this is gonna be my first time making it. I'm about to make it with some steak and corn. That's fun. I think I'll go with just one for now, because I'm not a big eater. So one it is. These are dope. Let's go to the meat section. Why I'm smiling, guys, is because my man is texting me and we're talking about something that is like so funny right now. So funny that I cannot even say. Okay, so we need shrimp. Let's get the shrimp first.
Please select a car wash by pressing one of the service buttons on the screen. Please select an upgrade. Or if you don't want an upgrade, press no upgrade.
Please select your payment method from the screen. Please insert the card fully and follow the instructions on the screen. If you are paying by mobile phone or contactless chip card, then please hold the phone or card close to the contactless reader.
Bro. Oh, I forget better on the phone, you know.
You want to tell our man something?
No, I just... we in it. I hate going in the car wash because it's always like no brakes, no this, no that. Ooh, look at us, y'all. We're in it. Baby ain't got washed in so long. Synchro needs to invest in one of those.
No,
My car now. Okay, y'all. So, hey, we just finished. We gonna go home now. I am vacuuming my car because it ain't dirty like that. And it's only me in the car. You check what I'm saying? So, it ain't gonna look sparkle for nobody. It's just the outside was just really disturbing. So I was like, it needs to be done. But we get it done, so we heading home now. Bro, why a car wash up here is so expensive? In Florida, I would never. Like, I literally just paid $19 for a car wash. In Florida, I would pay like what, $12 or something. But I literally just paid $19, bro. That's crazy. See y'all when I get home. Yo, I'm home right now, and my baby is so clean. Look at she. Who's this? Who is this? Baby is so clean right now. Home, guys, let me show y'all what I got. Quick grocery haul. So we got some steak, we got some shrimp, got some kobacha, we have peach, berry, peach paradise, mystic mango. I'm excited to try this one. I've never tried this one before. Then we got some sweet potatoes that will make with the steak. Daily green smoothie thing, pineapple, carrot, orange, some bacon in here, olive oil because my oil finished, because mine's into beef, more lettuce for my salad, parmesan, shredded cheese, unsalted garlic with butter for my steak, some seasoning which I will blow on, smoked paprika and parsley, rotini pasta, but this is a plant-based protein I'm gonna try out. Now we have some cucumbers, some carrots, salmon here, and then last but not least we have egg. So all this stuff cost me $94, so that's not bad because I get steak, I get shrimp, I get salmon, and this only cost $94. That's literally a good price. I will see y'all later. Hey y'all, so I just forgot to end this vlog. So I know it's a very short vlog, but I hope y'all like it, and don't forget to comment and share, and comment down ideas of stuff y'all want to see me do for y'all. Love y'all. See y'all till the next video.